If you're encountering an API key refused error while using LangChain, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Verify your API key. Check that you are using the correct API key. Ensure there are no typos or extra spaces when copying it from the source. Step 2. Check API key permissions. Log into your API provider's dashboard and confirm that your API key has the necessary permissions enabled for the actions you are trying to perform. Step 3. Ensure API key is active. Make sure that your API key is still active and has not been revoked or expired. If it has, generate a new key. Step 4. Review rate limits. Check if you have exceeded any rate limits set by the API provider. If you have, you may need to wait before making additional requests. Step 5. Update your environment variables. If you are using environment variables to store your API key, ensure they are correctly set in your development environment and that your application is accessing them properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the API key refused error in LangChain. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to the API provider support for further assistance.